And this is chopped off of Kawasaki Zx6r. They have the pre-wheel on the bike that chopped it off, and you can see all the detail inside right here, and the exhaust. Look good. Look good. Kawasaki Zx6r, brand new 2009. This is all black color. Right now it's a side exhaust system, and this one is a black one. You can see the shock made by Showa. It's a different way. We never looked at this before, and comes stock with the steering damper. And look at the scale over here. It's a multi-scale as a Kawasaki Zx6r. So this bike, when it go on the floor, we might have it in IPM garage to test it out as usual. Thank you.